Everybody's looking for that perfect dessert to wow their guests, right? Look no further. This vanilla-infused panna cotta with pomegranate glaze is a game changer. Let's get started. First, grab a medium sauce pot and combine 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk and 1/2 cup of sugar. Add a vanilla bean for that extra flavor kick. Whisk it all together, then bring it to a slight boil over medium heat. Remove from heat and whisk in 2 sheets of gelatin until it's silky smooth. Pour the mixture into your molds, leaving some space for our glaze. Pop them in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight. Now, for that tangy pomegranate glaze. In a pan, combine 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 cup of pomegranate juice to each other. Bring to a boil until it turns into a sticky syrup. Let it cool. Time to assemble. Pour the glaze over your chilled panna cotta. Shave some dark chocolate curls and sprinkle fresh pomegranate seeds on top. Voila, a stunning dessert that's sure to impress. Enjoy.